As I'm building the stairs, the very top one, I took off this riser and it gives us a good view into what's under the subfloor. And you can see the strutting that I built between the joists. So that's new wood that I put in before the drywall was put up, right? And then you have the strapping for the drywall, and then that's the drywall. And of course the dirt from the subfloor above, because the cracks, the dirt is falling down. See how that shows? That's kind of cool to see after the fact. And once I close this, nobody's gonna see this until the next time they might want to rebuild the stairs or anything like that. So I thought I just wanted to share that with you. Now back to the stair building.